These are roti. What the?
इसके पास आइडिया नहीं है.
Fine.
Hi guys, we're finally at Lenta and today I'm going to take you guys along to my monthly grocery shopping. And today we're working with a budget of 5,000. I'm here with my friend Raj and let's see what our grocery shopping in another country like Russia looks like.
Welcoming you all to the video. Myself Raj. Before shopping, I would like to have something in my hand, such as latte, or we can see here there are several options. I would like to have hot chocolate today. It's my mandatory things before shopping. Let's go.
I'm going to show them how it's done.
Yeah, I would like to show you guys how it's done and how the payment process works in Russia. Come along. So this is chocolate C Monaco. That means chocolate and milk. So we are gonna take hot chocolate here, and we are gonna pay by our card, the card which Russian government gives us for payments. This is the Sibir card. It's a bank here, Sibir Bank. So it shows 159 rubles. 159 rubles. Okay. You have to tap here the card, and it's done. Next is you have to take your sugar according to your choice. You can take 2, 1, 3, 4, whatever you want. I like 3. From this you can mix your coffee or latte or whatever you like. I like 3 sugars.
Isn't that much?
Fine, I like to be a diabetes person rather than not to eat. And one more thing, you get a cap for your coffee too. So this is my hot chocolate. Let's go to the shopping now.
And as a first timer, it can be overwhelming, but now we're used to it. We've been here for almost 2 years.
Yeah. हर महीने 2-3 बार तो आते ही हैं.
Yes, like अब आजकल की outings ही हो गई है कि लेंटा चलते कुछ सामान ले आएंगे.
It's cheap. Basically, it's very cheap.
Yeah.
If you-
After जो उसका कार्ड मैगजीन कार्ड होता है ना,
Yeah.
तो उसके बाद तो it's like
They give you a specific card for Lenta.
every shops here in Russia have their own card and उस पे discounts and everything आपको
Look,
मिलता है.
I'll show you. Wait. So, normal price is 126.31 rubles, but with Lenta card, it's 20% off with 99 rubles. You understand how Lenta card works?
So
Let's
what
go.
is the first thing that we need?
The thing we see.
Okay, so it's gonna be pretty simple. We're gonna walk around, and you need to remember we have only 5,000. So we're gonna start with 5,000. There's gonna be
Yeah.
somewhere on the screen.
That's our budget for
Do you
5,000.
think we can work with it?
Well, for today it's 5,000 for a month groceries. Like what can
Yeah.
we have in 5k in Russia?
Yeah. Normally, do you think this budget is fulfilling? Do you think it's
As
okay?
a normal student, it's more than enough to live in 5k. But if you have your own expenses, you can take whatever you want. First of all, we need coffee
Okay.
powder.
So let's go into the coffee section right now. Like,
It's my place, my coffee shop. You can take any coffee you want. Me myself, I would like to have Veneto road blockage.
you need to remember.
Our budget. I remember. I really do remember. I have tried Monarch. I've tried Nescafe. What's it? I've tried Gold Jardin. I've tried this. I've tried Egoistic. I've tried Bushido. Like, I'm a coffee person.
Okay,
Come
we get it. Now, which is the one you want today?
on. I want Veneto. I didn't find it yet.
No,
This it? That's it?
I don't think it is.
Veneto comes for approximately 400 rubles. You can pass the whole month on it. But there is no Veneto. Fine. No Veneto. Looked around, there's no Veneto. I've tried Egoistic, I've tried many of them. But let's go for this one. And this is for normal price is 526, but with Lenta card it's 329. Approximately 200 rubles difference.
And that is how much grams?
I guess 100 grams? 95 grams. But it's mandatory. Daily morning we used to have coffee or tea. We don't have tea here like Indian teas, but we have coffee. First thing. Let's go.
I've been trying. I want to try this for a while. Garnier, because as per my hair, सही लगेगा. So let's see. Let's take this. This is 240.
240?
Yeah. Yes.
It's 249.
Let's go.
So
So
now,
guys,
before starting only, we are down 330 and a shampoo 250, approximately 580. 580 is gone. Let's go to the rice section. Basically, there are several sections here, like the shampoo section, like the coffee section. Everything you have is in only one place. It's not in a haphazard manner. Coffee is coffee.
hot chocolate है वो.
Coffee.
Hot chocolate.
I'm from Delhi.
Do we need
Yeah, we need toilet papers.
Okay.
So basically, in Russia, you don't have a sewage system like India.
क्या बोला तूने?
You understand?
I don't think that's called the sewage system though.
That is a sewage system. Waste
We don't
waste
have-
deposit system, whatever.
Okay, we walk through the section. Where is toilet paper?
आगे होगा शायद, आगे या फिर पीछे होगा.
The lane of toilet papers.
So we have to save. So we are taking this. 20 rubles. Either 20 rubles for one. We're gonna take 2 or 3. It's enough for 15 days. We're gonna take 3. Fine. 3 for 20 rubles. 60. Approximately, we are down 640 rubles. Doing nothing for the groceries.
That's no grocery right there.
Let's go.
Where are we going next?
I guess that's the rice section.
What are these sections?
This is the dog food or a cat food. We don't have a pet, so we are not going to take any dog food or cat food. But for her, I can take cat food.
But I have you. You are a dog.
You can have a cat food if you want. You want
Was it
cereals?
funny?
Yeah, we need oats. Come on. Oats.
Okay.
A daily breakfast, bro. Come on. You need dal?
Yes, let's go here. Boom. This is a bad transition. So this is my favorite section. क्योंकि यहाँ पे दाल वाल मिलती है. मैं पूरा मम्मी मोड हो जाती हूँ जब मैं यहाँ आती हूँ. So first thing is छोले. He loves छोले. ये दिल्ली से है और इसको छोले बहुत पसंद है और ये हर एक सेंटेंस में बोलता है. अगर इसके पास अभी माइक होता है ये यही बोलता. So this is छोले and this is from 99 rupees. Yeah, 99 rupees छोले. It is around 450 grams. So we're 99 rupees down. Next, do we need dal?
Yes.
But we have chana dal. Do we need masoor dal? Okay, he doesn't know. So we don't need that. Now we need rajma. Where here are the rajmas. So this is a rajma packet. And this is quite expensive here. This is around 200 for this much. And this is rajma without skin. I don't know why these people eat it like that. This is rajma without skin and this is rajma. Yeah. Bro is shocked.
Don't take it.
But we need to have it. Do you want to have this one? This is 150. 700 grams.
It's not rajma, it's something else.
Rajma hai, falcon. Fakol. Falcon बोल दिया मैंने. Okay. We're taking this one. We should try new things and also क्या मतलब वो ज़्यादा. Bro is trying to save money. उसने अभी बोला है कि कहीं और से ले लेंगे. Okay, let's see what else is here. चना हो गया है. There's quinoa. If I'm right, quinoa. There's mug. I really want mug. Is mug good? Sprouts अच्छे होते हैं ना. I can have mug. That is
144.
144 rupees down for 450 grams of mug. These are the green ones. यहाँ पे white वाले नहीं मिलते. So now we're in the rice section. किसी का ट्रॉली है, साइड कर देते हैं. Okay. राइस में यहाँ बहुत कुछ मिलता है एंड यहाँ पर इंडियन राइसेस मिलते हैं. ये शांति ब्रांड है एंड जब मैंने मम्मी को बताया था उन्होंने बोला था कि हाँ इंडिया में भी ये मिलता था लाइक घर पर बट फिर डिसकंटिन्यू हो गया. ये पूरा जो लेना है ना ये इंडियन राइस का है नीचे का. दिस इज बासमती फ्रॉम लेंटा. दिस इज 220. या that is jasmine. I'm sorry, this is jasmine, that's basmati. This is jasmine rice for 210. 220 and this is 200 ka just rice. We normally take this one, guys. Like, this is our go-to, but there's this new one that I've seen, this 220. Do you want to save the 30 rupees?
No.
No? We take this one? So let's take this one. So we just need one. This is almost one. This is just 1 kg though.
1 kg.
Yeah, we need to take that one, guys. Sorry, but this is 2 kgs for 200. This is just a lot more sensible.
Sure that's 1 kg?
Yeah. How much is that?
दिख नहीं रहा.
नीचे ही लिखा है 1 kg यहाँ पर.
It's per 100 gram. How many proteins and how many carbs does it have?
Guys, it's 1 kg.
No, it's not 1 kg. Come on. 2 kg. 2000 gram. 2 kg and it's 2000 gram. And here it's written per 100 gram. How many proteins do you have?
Going next.
Now we are going to the oats sections.
How
So
much is this? 220.
yeah, we are down to 20 again. 230. Okay, 230 again. So here's the oats section. I normally go to gym, but sometimes I eat muesli. This is nice. This is 104. Now it's 104, but before it was 78. So I have this. So I'm gonna take oats. I eat muesli or oats or bread omelette in breakfast. So let's take oats. There is no oats. These are the sections of oats only, but the one which I take, it's not there. So we're gonna skip oats.
Bro, there's so many oats.
I don't want that. The which I want is not there.
Okay, so let's skip oats.
Yeah, we're gonna skip oats.
Oh, bro, ye de.
Oh, it's here. So it has
क्या तुम अंधे हो?
it has chocolate, blueberry, and raspberry. I'm gonna take this. Let's go. Fine. So we take a 2-liter oil for a month. It goes easily the whole month. This one. So this is basically 1.8 liter, and it costs 224 rupees. So we take this for a month. We are down again 224. We take a tomato.
No, we need a tomato puree.
Puree to उस side है.
Puree, yes, puree.
200 for a puree.
81.
81. Okay, fine.
Bro, just skipped a beat. Bro's heart skipped a beat.
This is also tomato ketchup.
250. 36 का.
And this for 44.
44.
Okay, fine.
10 रुपए में कम मिल रहा है ना, पर उसमें कितना है? उतना ही मिल रहा है.
हाँ.
So, why did you switch?
To save money.
तो हम शुगर के सेक्शन में है. वी नीड शुगर, हमारी खत्म हो गई है. एंड ये वाली बड़ी वाली, देयर इज दिस फॉर 99. These are cubes. We use cubes because we have a lot of coffee and ये बस easier होते हैं measurements के लिए. And we have this one for 84 kind. Yeah, this is the same. So let's just take this one. That's for 84 minus 84. Do we need corn powder? Corn flour? Yes, assured. 64. Fine. We need maida. Oh, yeast vasedru sato. He's trying to say it's a Russian bhi nahi aati and I can hear it very clearly. I can't see how much this is for. Oh, it's 49 if we take 3.
इसके पास हाइट भी नहीं है.
This is the end. Hold your breath.
This is the moment.
49. Eat salt.
So basically, we don't eat that white salt. It's for the cheap people.
Oh my god. Really?
We eat the black salt, out of which we eat this one. This,
What is the black things in it?
This is 30 rupees.
ये सेक्शन है अब हनी का. And this is the one we have at home. हम अभी लेके गए थे. This is around 900 ml for 200 rupees. We usually take this. This is 37 rupees and this is 425 ml of piece. So I think we're gonna just take three of them. I already took one. Let's just take two more. Yeah.
It's a chicken store, okay? So in Russia, you don't go to the shops and tell भैया मुझे 1 किलो चिकन दे दो. ऐसा यहाँ पे नहीं होता है. You get whole murgi, whole murgi for approximately 300 rupees. These are some parts of chicken like this. This is the leg piece, okay? These are the wings. These are the liver. You get heart here. You get everything as in pieces, as in boxes. यहाँ पे it's in grams. Like if it's 100 gram, it's gonna cost you 150 approx. We're not gonna take chicken because chicken भी हमारे nearest store में easily मिल जाता है.
So we're going to the pizza section. यहाँ पे इतना easy है ना, pizza bases ले लो, around 40 या 50 का एक आता है और ये मेरे से handle नहीं हो रहा है. So 40 या 50 का एक आता है and it's easy. यहाँ पे ready made pizzas भी मिलते हैं that you just put in the oven and you're done. But honestly, I like making mine. These are roti. What the? ये रोटी है. Back to pizza. This one's for 39. Lovely. We're gonna take 4. It is 39 into 4, whatever the math is, and that is 164. This whole section. Literally. There's carrots, there's onions, every vegetable that you want. Patta gobi hai yahan pe, guys. Let's go to the fruit section. Apples, oranges, lemons, pear, 300 per kg. Different kinds of pear. There is oranges.
Basically, Russian people eat breads a lot in breakfast, in lunch, in dinner. I don't know how they are built. Are on a low. कहाँ गई है? हाँ, so bread prices are on a low. It's for 79. Recently it was for 95. Now it's for 79. We take this. This is for sandwiches.
गाइस ये दूसरी ब्रेड है, ये वाली हम नहीं खाते हैं.
अरे ये लेते हैं.
ये येलो कलर का पैकेजिंग देख के वही समझ रहा है, बट ये दूसरी है, हम ये खाते हैं.
Ah. Okay, sorry. retake. Bread prices are on a high. It's for 99. Recently it was for 95. So we take this. This is easy to make sandwiches.
ये जो बेकरी है वो बेकरी हमारे यहाँ है, वहाँ पे 76 का मिलता है. सो वी आर नॉट टेकिंग दिस. सॉरी.
क्या बोलूं मैं इस पे?
Yeah, we normally take shawarma wrap, but we have now this thing, this partially similar to roti. Like if we have several classes in a day, like 4 to 5 classes, which nearly takes approx 8 to 9 hours, and it's a hectic day. We don't make rotis because it's time taking. So basically, we eat shawarma wrap with a sabji or something chicken.
2 pastas. Just take. Okay, let's take 2. हमें पता है हम 15 दिन में ना लाइफ से बोर हो जाएंगे, फिर हम बोलेंगे चलो कहीं बाहर चलते हैं और हमें कोई जगह नहीं मिलेगी, हम लेंट आ जाएंगे.
Energy drink sections. Okay, so if you want something to drink, like in India, what you used to do? You used to drink soft drinks, like cola, chai. You don't have street shops here, so we take energy drinks. This basically fuel you up for the next contest or next classes.
Contest. This is stuck together, guys. Okay.
Oh.
Wanna grab some mocha? Okay. Let's go. Let's go to billing now.
Okay, that's all. यहाँ you have an option for self billing as well as आपको काउंटर पे भी बिल करके दे सकते हैं. I'm gonna show you the self billing process. Check. It's 227 as a normal price, but with Lenta card it's 149. Okay. This is the last product. So the total bill is of 3028. And we are going to take some polythenes for this because हाथ में उठा के थोड़ी जाएंगे घर. These are 2 polythenes. It costs approx 9 rubles, I guess.
12.
12? ये
Inflection.
2 रुपए बढ़ गए. We're gonna take 2
तीन
polythenes.
3 रुपए ना.
हाँ, 3 रुपए.
9 से 10 11 12.
As you can see, come here. The discounts of Lenta card 421 for normal thing, 329 for this, 119, 113, 123, ऐसे ऐसे. I'm gonna pay with card as I show you before.
What do? You need a pass because these drinks are non-alcoholic yet they have adrenaline.
No, it's because these drinks are 18 plus. It's an energy drink also only. Spasiba. We're gonna choose Banco Biscoy Karti, and we're gonna pay with card. It's 3054. Payment declined. You have to pay. You have to enter your code if the payment is above 2000.
And there's my
Spasiba.
check. So these are all the things that we got, and guess what? It was only for 3K. And we thought this is going to at least cross 5K. We are still left with all the vegetables that we get, and we get them on daily basis along with milk and water. So that's it.